My storytelling will run about my love life and about handling a relationship. So, the first time that I courted a girl is when I'm in 5th grade of school. I met this girl because she is my classmate. I've seen her gorgeous and cute, so I decided to chat her. In first, I only chatted her because I'm shy and still don't have experience and confidence when it comes on courting a girl. Then, we are having our conversation on Messenger. I am being sweet on her that half time that and that's my first. One night, while we're having our conversation, I asked if I can court her and still being sweet to her, but she refused it if I can court her. My reaction that time is just staring at the wall and thinking what to do because she refused to court her. After that night, we talked. Morning, we're having our music subject, and this music teacher discussing, and after he discussed, he mentioned about me and the girl that I talked to. I'm surprised that our music teacher know about us. He said that it's too young for us to be in love and other things about love. Then I realized that it's not the right time yet to be in love. So when I reach high school life, still wondering if someone in the campus will capture my heart. Days, months passed. I talked to few girls but just a small talk and a small flirting. Because I am not afraid what I experienced when I'm in 5th grade. I reached 9th grade. Love and this another girl captured my heart. I've seen her so cute and being joyful. So I took and grabbed the chance to be in love again. I chatted her because I am shy to talk to her personally. I give it a shot. Our conversation is continuous. Every time that I will see her in the campus, I'm smiling, yet still shy to talk to her personally. One time, I had a chance to talk to her personally and shake hands with her because of my friends teased us to talk personally, so instead to refuse because of shyness, I just grabbed the opportunity. I'm so happy that time and thankful to my friends. Because of them, I had a chance. After that, I said to her in chat that her hands was so soft that I love to hold it forever. One time, I asked her to eat in fast food after her class. Our status that time is MU, or mutual understanding. She likes me too. Days, months and pass. Our conversation is good, no problems. One time, I just wanted to be separated in her feelings. I don't know that time that I just feeling myself to be enjoy my life first but not in relationship. I did not chat her for days and weeks, and one time my friend asked me what happened to me and the girl. I'm not replying to my friend. He said that the girl is being sad and crying for separating with her. I decided to enjoy and focus in myself and in my life first. And then senior high school came. I'm still enjoying in my life days and months. So and then on my 12th grade, I met someone on social media that captured my eyes. At first, I'm being shy to chat her because I'm thinking if I will get rejected or what. But still I gave it a shot. I chatted her and our conversation is being naughty. Months pass. We're still chatting, having a deep talks about love. I said to myself that I'm ready into her. We're both serious in the things. We will face it together. Take things slow, know their likes and dislikes. Analyze that would you be willing to share a common bond in the following years. Every person has some habits that would be annoying to you. Love is giving yourself a chance just because you both had a conflict in opinion about something doesn't mean things won't work out. Give yourself a chance. Your perception and your partner's perception may differ. Sometimes, that is what makes life exciting, and love is maintaining privacy with social media. Readily available to share all your problems, and people ready to jump to your rescue. We tend to discuss issues over the internet more than we do in person. Never do that. Maintain privacy in your relationship. Talk out the issues with your partner. Don't use the platform of social media to complain about something that is wrong between you two. A little privacy to your relationship is required. And last but not the least, it's easy to have a misunderstanding when you have a conflict of opinion. Try to avoid it. Give a chance to let your partner put forward their point of view. If they are wrong, try talking to them about why do you think are they wrong. Don't jump to conclusions and create a drama. This is a very unhealthy to your relationship. Ultimately, love is accepting the other person for who they are.